Hello everyone, welcome to evolutionary biology class, and we are in unit 2, which is molecular evolution, and the topic for today is globin gene family. So, introduction. What is a gene family? A gene family is a set of several similar genes formed by duplication of a single original gene and generally with similar biochemical functions. So, basically, a gene family is a set of homologous genes within one organism or within a single organism. So, when a gene is present in two or more copies per genome, the condition is known as redundancy. So, the members of a gene family may be either clustered together, dispersed on different chromosomes, or present in a combination of both. If the genes of a gene family encode proteins, the term protein family is often used in an analogous manner to gene family. So one example for such family are the genes for human hemoglobin subunits. So what is a gene cluster? A gene cluster is also a part of a gene family. So basically a gene cluster is a group of two or more genes found within an organism's DNA that encode for similar polypeptides or proteins which collectively share a generalized function, and they are located within a few thousand base pairs from each other. And the size of gene clusters can vary significantly, and it can range from a few genes to several hundred genes. And genes found in a gene cluster may be observed near one another or on the same chromosome or on different but homologous chromosomes. So, globin genes. They have in 1972 stated that comparison of amino acid sequences of large number of globin polypeptides from different species indicate that the globin gene family evolved from a single ancestral gene by duplication and sequence divergence. So, genes encoding the various globin proteins evolved from one common ancestral globin gene which duplicated and diverged about 450 to 500 million years ago. And after the duplication events, differences between the genes in globin family arose from the accumulation of mutations. So today we find two classes of globin genes, that is, one is those encoding components of hemoglobin which carries oxygen in the blood, and those encoding myoglobin which stores oxygen in muscle. These functionally different classes of genes are derived from a primordial gene, globin gene, which was duplicated about 800 million years ago, long before the diversification of animals at the start of Paleozoic era. The hemoglobin genes have in turn been duplicated several times during the evolution of the vertebrates. And this picture shows how the globin genes, the ancestral globin genes, diverged 800 million years ago into myoglobin and hemoglobin genes, and how further around 500 to 400 million years ago the alpha globin gene and the beta globin gene further diverged. So this tells that from the ancestral globin gene, it got diverged into hemoglobin genes, myoglobin genes, and plant globin genes. And this is also a figure which represents the evolution of ancestral globin gene. So hemoglobin genes. The hemoglobin molecule is a tetramer and is composed of two similar polypeptides, the alpha and beta chains, encoded by two distinct genes. Each polypeptide incorporates a hemigroup that reversibly binds to oxygen. So hemoglobin genes are coordinately turned on and turned off during the embryonic, fetal, and adult stages of development. The genes for alpha globin lie in a cluster on chromosome number 16, whereas the beta globin genes are located on chromosome number 11. And the beta cluster extends over 50 kilobytes and has 5 functional genes, that is epsilon, G gamma, A gamma, delta, and beta, and one pseudogene which is psi beta. Whereas the alpha cluster is smaller, which extends over 20 kilobytes and has 4 functional genes, that is Xi2, Xi1, Alpha 2, Alpha 1, and Theta, and it has 2 pseudogenes, that is Psi A and Psi A. The two gamma chains, that is G gamma and A gamma, differ for a single amino acid, that is glycine and alanine. The two alpha genes, namely alpha 1 and alpha 2, code for the same protein. Such identical genes present in the same chromosome constitute the non-allelic copies of the gene. Let us now see the various globin genes which are expressed during different embryonic, fetal and adult stages of development. Let's start by alpha globins. The Xi genes of alpha globins are expressed during the embryonic development, whereas the alpha 2 and alpha 1 genes are expressed during the fetal and the adult stages of the development. Second is beta globins. The epsilon genes of beta globins are expressed during the embryonic development, whereas Z gamma and A gamma genes are expressed during the fetal development, and delta and beta genes are expressed during the adult stages of development. And this is the figure showing human hemoglobin gene clusters with the alpha and the beta chains. And this is the figure which shows the cluster of beta globin genes seen in various vertebrates, that is mouse, rabbit and chicken. Now let's go to the myoglobin genes. The myoglobin is an iron and oxygen binding protein found in the muscle tissue of vertebrates in general and in almost all mammals. It is related to hemoglobin, which is the iron and oxygen binding protein in blood, especially in the red blood cells. So in humans, myoglobin is only found in bloodstream after muscle injury. So myoglobin is the primary oxygen carrying pigment of muscle tissues. So it gives red color to the muscle. High concentration of myoglobin in muscle cells allow organisms to hold their breath for a longer period of time. So diving mammals such as whales and seals have muscles with particularly high abundance of myoglobin. In humans, myoglobin is encoded by the MB gene. And the functions of myoglobin gene. One is meat color. Myoglobin contains hemes, pigments responsible for the color of red meat. The color that meat takes is partly determined by the degree of oxidation of the myoglobin. So the higher the degree of oxidation of myoglobin, the richer the meat color. Another function of myoglobin is its role in diseases. So myoglobin is released from damaged muscle tissue which has very high concentration of myoglobin. Myoglobin is a sensitive marker for muscle injury, making it a potential marker for heart attack in patients with chest pain. And finally, this is the diagrammatic representation of the position of myoglobin gene on the chromosome. And in this figure, we can see where hemoglobin genes, the alpha globins, alpha subunits is present in the chromosome number 16, and the beta globins is present in chromosome 11. Whereas the myoglobin gene, on the other hand, the MB gene in human, it is located in chromosome number 22, and it is a single gene and it does not have several other subunits or parts. So with this, we come to the end of this class. Thank you for listening. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon for getting notified for the upcoming classes. Thank you.